This poem is a poignant exploration of the longing and loss experienced by a raindrop that evaporates before reaching the ocean. It's a beautiful and emotional reflection on the fragility of life and the power of nature. A conversation between a raindrop and the ocean. I dreamt of merging with your waves one day, of joining the vastness of your blue array. But fate's cruel whimsy stole me away, evaporated, lost, before I'd have the chance to stay. Your depths are mysterious, a world unseen, where creatures lurk and secrets are gleaned. I longed to explore, to dive and be free. But now I'm just a memory, a fleeting thought of thee. The wind that swept me up, a force so bold, carried me away my journey to unfold. I never reached your shore, nor felt your tide, a drop that evaporated, my destiny denied. In your embrace I'd found my peace, a sense of belonging my worries to release. But now I'm just a whisper, a moment's sigh, a raindrop lost before I reached your eye. The clouds that birthed me a temporary home dissolved, and I fell my journey to roam. But alas, I never reached your waves' caress, a drop that evaporated in the heat's harsh stress. Your roar is thunderous, a sound so grand, a symphony of power that echoes across the land. I longed to be a part of your majestic might, but now I'm just a memory, a fleeting lost sight. In your depths, I'd found a world of blue, a place to call home where I'd forever renew. But fate's decree was otherwise, it seems, a drop that evaporated in the sun's warm beams. Though I never reached you, my heart remains, a longing to merge, a love that still sustains. For in your vastness, I'd have found my place, a drop that's lost, but still remembers your face.